If you spend a lot of time on site inspections, visiting plants or factories, or on warehouse floors, practicality is the name of the game. This two-tone shirt is comfortable, breathable, and ensures you're visible. It's made with durable 140 GSM 100% cotton and has 50mm reflective tape. It has triple stitch seams for extra strength with bar tacks on stress points. There are also 2 breast pockets with button flaps and a pen division. Comfortable and durable, perfect for any situation. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.